Okay, one more easy, quick way to use our pie pastry, Fifendekel pie pastry that isn't a pie. All right, so I have rolled out the pastry into a square. Okay, because this time you want it to squares. And what you're looking at is, depending on the size of your muffin tin, which you are going to spray for me, that's the size of square you're looking at. So if you use the little mini muffin tins, then you're going to make smaller squares. But we are using the regular ones right now. And all you've got is your square. And you're going to just put it into your muffin tin that Monique has now sprayed.
Yep.
And I guess I'm picking and choosing where they're
going. She's just putting them wherever.
So, yeah. I don't have 6, I have 4, and there are 6 spaces. So I'm just putting wherever. So all we've got, put them in there. There's a little overhang. We are making this cranberry brie little tartlet. And so you want the edges to be, what would you call that? It's like, they're little flags, I think.
It looks cute.
Anyway, so that is what you need for the base. Then the next thing that you need is some brie cheese. Put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes before you're going to use it, because it makes it that much easier to take the coating off of it. So all you're going to do is cut it into a strip. Yeah. Depending, again, what size you're using.
Yeah.
So you cut it into your strip, and then, of course, you're going to cut off the casing. Sorry.
And what a smart idea to put it in the freezer. I would not have thought of doing that. So
sometimes I come up with good ideas.
Got some great ideas. So definitely put it in the freezer to get that peeling off, because it makes it way easier.
Yeah, you can use it then. It is not melting in your hand while you're doing it.
Exactly.
So all you want to do is that, and then you want to cut a chunk that's going to fit into your little square pie tin. So Monique, if you want to throw those in. And then there are just 2 other ingredients that we are putting in. Now you can use other cheeses and such too, but
Brie melts beautifully.
It's gorgeous. So I have just used cranberry sauce from a can.
Okay.
And all you're going to do is with that is also put your cranberry sauce onto that. And then you can use chopped walnuts, chopped pecans. I've got pecans tonight, and then you just spread those on top.
Yummo.
You're going to throw them in the oven for these ones about 20 minutes. You need the pie paste, you need the pastry to cook, and of course you need the cheese to melt. And that's all.
Again, easy peasy, you guys. Another fantastic idea. And to end it off with all the different variations that we've created for your festivities that are coming up.
So always have on hand some frozen pie pastry. You can keep it in the freezer for up to 3 months.
Yeah.
You can keep it in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks if you take it from frozen state. And so do keep it refrigerated. Have it on hand. And the other thing that we're learning is have cheese on hand. And you can host.
With the most.
There we go. Enjoy.
All right. Bye, guys.